Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Following that, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbird. Then tap on Text Correction. Over here, click on this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!